already prepped the nails and we're gonna use Perfetto nail tip from Harmony. Now I'm measuring the nail from sidewall to sidewall and the glue is applied to the nail. I'll be using Gelish Dip Prep number 1 and its dehydrator to balance your natural nail. I'll be using Clear as Day as my natural clear powder. Please note that I'll be dipping natural clear 4 times. Then I'm going to take out Gelish Dip Base Coat number 2. Now you will see there's a line between your natural nail and the nail tip. You only need to apply where the line is at. Now apply a thin coat from the center to the free edge. This will create the apex. Now you want to tap off the excess dipping powder immediately. Then you will apply Gelish Base Coat number 2 and you want this to be slightly larger than before. You want to apply Gelish Base Coat number 2 to the whole entire nail, and this will be your last dip on the natural clear. I'm using firecracker because I want to spread the love. Again, apply Gelish Base Coat number 2 to the whole entire nail. You can see that I only dipped 2 times and the color is pigment. Apply a coat of activator all over to the nail and wait for 20 seconds, allowing it to dry. Now you want to apply the final coat of Gelish Base Coat number 2. This will seal the nail and allow it to air dry. I'm going to file the nail into desired shape and then I will buff it to smooth the nail. Apply a thin coat of activator all over to the nail and wait for 20 seconds. I am wiping off the excess of activator on the nail with a dry wipe it off lint. Apply 2 thin coat of Gelish Top Coat number 4 to seal and create high shine. Now you can set the timer and allow 4 to 5 minutes to air dry.